And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last month and how the price of natural gas can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it has moved in this particular zone since 2010. Okay, till now we have not seen a big event after only 2021. That is where a good volatility we have seen, and the same volatility we have seen in 1990 and 2007. Till this period of 10 years we have seen a good volatility. Same volatility we have seen in this particular zone. Okay, why? Because a pandemic was a big issue. Second, a Russian war and a Ukraine war was the issue. Okay, that is where import and export being weighted, and the price of natural gas has moved upside as well as came down so low. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next month, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Okay, please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. A swing is forming at this particular level. After pandemic, it was in this zone. Okay, and the zone low was around $1.5. After that, it tries to go upside. What it does, whenever it hits previous high, it was creating a pattern. Okay, suppose this is the first high, it formed a swing, moved upside, made a second high. Okay, and after that a sharp fall has come. Okay, and this sharp fall again, it didn't touch its previous low, but it sustained at a level, formed a swing, moved upside, went for the third high, and again a sharp fall come. And see, this is being repeated for fifth time continuously. After that there is a continuous fall. Okay, and now if you look at this particular chart, for the sixth time it tries to go upside, but it didn't sustain. Okay, and from there is a continuous fall. The same pattern we have seen in crude also. Okay, now it is trading at $2.418 after making a low from $2.60. Okay, and chances are high because since 2 months it is trying to go upside, but it is in this zone. A doji candle is forming for this particular month. So next probability is there, if it form a green candle, chance of going further upside will be there. But if it didn't form a green candle, or if it breaks this particular support, which is already being a weak support, so we can see it can go further low. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next month, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain and probability is high, yes, it can sustain. It can go towards its next resistance of $2.570. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, it can touch a level of around $2.887. Okay, suppose if the price sustain $2.887, then a probability is high that it can touch a level of $3.096. And once it sustain above this level, yes, a probability will be high, it can cross a level of around $3.3, $3.437, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high the price sustain this particular level, it can go towards a level of $3.437, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances of going further upside will be there, and then we can see level of 3.772. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, chances of going towards a level of 4.189 will be there. Okay, so once it sustain above 4.1, a probability that it can fill a gap of around $4.35. Okay, and then it can fill this particular gap, and it can go further upside to a level of $3.437, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances of going towards 3.90 will be there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 4.1. Once it sustain above $4.1, then a probability of touching a level of 4.35 is there, because there is a gap theory is that it can go further upside. Okay, and a probability is very high. Once it sustain above this level, it can go towards a level of $4.651, and from there a probability of going towards 4.872 is there, and it can touch a level of $5. Keep that in mind. Once started moving above level of 4.5, it can go further upside. Okay, now you have to understand that market is always uncertain. It cannot go sharp rise or sharp fall. Okay, it will only go sharp rise and sharp fall when there is a big news is coming. If otherwise, it will not. How it goes upside, hold for some time, that is how it moves. It goes and hold for some time, that is how it comes down. Okay, always try to set a limit for a particular trade for a particular day. or a particular week, so that your capital should not be wiped out as well as your profit. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then yes, the next support we can see coming at around $2.28. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching 2.060 is there. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular level, so chance are very high that once it fall below a level of 1.9, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1.8, and once it fall below this particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1.652. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1.52, and then further if the price will sustain. So you have to understand, once it started falling below $2.026, then a probability of going further down is there, otherwise it will move above that particular zone. The price fall below $1.9, chances of touching a level of 1.6 will be there, and then it can go from out of this particular zone and can touch a level of 1.527, which is a low of that zone. So once started falling below this level, then yes, a probability is that very high it can go towards a level of 1.370 and then further low, because this level we have not seen since 1999, and a probability of going further low will be there because there will be a zone breakout after it fall below a 1 point. If you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.